Today we're going to shovel snow and talk about how there's an illegal migrant, an undocumented immigrant. Maybe he's documented, but he's an illegal migrant, billionaire, in the Treasury Department, looting your Social Security money right now. With no security clearance. This man has zero government security clearance, and he's been in the Treasury all this last weekend, stealing all our money. So no matter who you voted for, you might want to ask yourself, what am I going to be doing about this? Since this affects you and me and everybody, that there is an illegal immigrant from South Africa raiding the Treasury Department right now. He went in there with 4 tech bros, none of them older than age 24, threatened security guards, who should have had them arrested and tossed in jail, and, went in with hard drives, little drives, and came out with all of our private information, your social security number, if you work for the government, all of your details on your family, your name, your address, your everything, your entire work history. And, he's also been sending government workers nasty emails threatening to terminate them if they don't just resign, and offering them benefits packages that don't exist. So I have a friend or two that work in the government, and they've been getting these emails from Elon Musk telling them to quit. Elon Musk, an unelected migrant who isn't here legally, is telling government workers who work for you and I to quit, and trying to raid all of our money in the Treasury. So again, it doesn't matter who you voted for. You got to ask yourself, what are you going to do about this situation? I think we need to come together here, people, and stop this shit before it gets out of control. It's already out of control, obviously. If this guy thinks he can do this, this is nuts. I mean, I know some of the people who land on my channel think that they're, owning the libs or whatever by letting a billionaire raid their own Social Security fund, but I really don't see the effort versus the payoff in that. Like, that's your money you're giving away to an illegal migrant billionaire from South Africa who is not an elected official. We the people didn't put him in there. But he's in there taking your money. And I want to ask you, MAGA people, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to let him take your money? Or are you going to join with the rest of the sane world and try to stop him? I mean, this guy is going to take all the money that you put into Social Security working your whole entire life, and he's going to give it to his billionaire friends. That's what they're doing in there. So are you guys just going to stand by and let that happen, or are you going to actually fight back? So the rest of us are wondering, We're a little curious about that. Are you going to let a corporate elite billionaire take off with your retirement money? Just so you can be like, ooh, I pissed off the liberals. I'm gonna let this guy take all my retirement money. Yeah, look at that. I mean, you do you, I guess. I'm gonna show those liberals how much I hate them by letting Elon Musk take my retirement money and give it to his billionaire friends. What are we gonna do about an unelected billionaire stealing our money? Guess I had so many cars came in down on the end. I'm gonna fix that. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, that looks a little bit better. We gotta keep our box draft free in here. Make sure his house isn't coming apart in the middle of winter. Alright. Boop. Boop. Can't have can't have unelected official government workers raiding the Treasury, can we? That's our money.